Hi everyone! こんにちは! I'm Yuka. Welcome to Yuka's Japanese Cooking. Today, I'm going to show you how to make soup curry. Soup curry is getting popular here in Japan, while Japanese curry rice, in general, is characterized by being thick and fulfilling. Soup curry is light and allows you to eat lots of vegetables. Have you ever tasted Japanese version soup curry? If not, please try this recipe. And as always, my families Mario and Luigi will be joining as helpers. And during this video, I introduce useful cooking tips and ideas. So please watch in detail until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. So Japanese version soup curry is ready. So let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. By the look of it, it's already plenty of vegetables. Wow, the soup is very light and this soup warms my body quickly. Every ingredient is so tender and then the onion is almost melts. So yum! You should definitely try this. ごちそうさまでした。So here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip: if you heat the potato and carrots in the microwave earlier, so the overall cooking speed will match. So I really recommend. Tip: after adding curry and butter in a pot, be careful not to burn. Tip: for sweetness, please add mango chatsune or marmalade jam or grated apple. Tip: for spiciness, add garam masala and 7 peppers or red pepper, chili powder, and oyster sauce. So those are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. How was this Japanese version soup curry recipe? I hope this recipe will bring you a happy curry time. And if you watch my recipe video for the first time, thank you for coming. I introduce easy, yummy, and simple Japanese recipes, including baby meals, kids meals, and recently pregnant meals. So please don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful cooking time in your kitchen. We will see you next time. Bye bye!